Have you ever wondered why Guinea, a small country in West Africa, is so unique in the world? Nestled on the Atlantic coast, this vibrant nation is more than just a geographical location. It's a mosaic of diverse cultures, rich history and breathtaking landscapes that sets it apart. From its abundant mineral resources to its diverse wildlife, Guinea is a treasure trove waiting to be explored. So, are you ready for an adventure? Join us as we embark on a journey to uncover 35 amazing facts about Guinea. Dive right in with fact number 1. Guinea is home to over 24 ethnic groups, each with its distinct culture and language, creating a vibrant tapestry of diversity. Moving on to fact number 2, Guinea is incredibly wealthy in mineral resources. It holds more than a quarter of the world's bauxite reserves, a vital component in aluminum production. Fact 3, Guinea's wildlife is as diverse as its people. It's home to the vivacious Diana monkey, a species not found anywhere else in the world. Fact 4, Guinea's capital, Conakry, is on an island and was once a small fishing village. Fact 5, Guinea was the first French colony in Africa to gain independence in the year 1958. For fact 6 to 10, did you know that Guinea is home to the highest peak in West Africa, Mount Nimba? Or that it's a major source of diamonds, gold and coffee? And let's not forget, it's also the original home of the Ebola virus. And that's just the beginning. There's so much more to learn about Guinea. Let's continue our journey with fact number 11. Guinea is a republic, and since gaining independence from France in 1958, it has been led by only 4 presidents. Moving on, the 12th fact. The nation is known for its vibrant cultural practices like the expressive djembe drumming and the Fula flute music that echo through the streets. Fact 13, Guinea has the world's largest reserves of bauxite, a crucial ore for aluminum production. 14th, the country plays a pivotal role in global affairs, being a member of the United Nations, African Union and Economic Community of West African States. Fact number 15, the country is a haven for biodiversity, housing about 22% of Africa's mammal species. 16th, Conakry, the capital city, is on an island and is known as the Paris of Africa. Fact 17, the locals have a strong belief in supernatural powers. 18th, Guinea is multilingual with over 24 languages spoken. 19th, the country is predominantly Muslim, and 20th, Guinea has a rich tradition of oral storytelling. Intriguing, isn't it? But wait, there's more. Now on to fact number 21. Guinea is the world's second largest producer of bauxite, a raw material used in aluminum production. Surprised? Well, that's not all. Fact 22, despite its rich natural resources, it remains one of the poorest countries in the world. Moving on to the healthcare system for fact 23. Guinea was the epicenter of the Ebola outbreak in 2014, which highlighted its healthcare system's vulnerabilities. Fact 24, the country has since made significant improvements in its health infrastructure. Switching gears to education for fact 25, the literacy rate in Guinea is less than 50%. This brings us to fact number 26, the government is working hard to improve this statistic, with a focus on girls' education. Fact 27, Guinea has a unique educational system where French is the medium of instruction, but local languages are also taught. For facts 28 to 30, did you know that Guinea is one of the wettest countries in West Africa? It has a vibrant music culture, and is also home to the largest protected area in West Africa. Are you surprised yet? There's still more to come. Here we are at the final 5 facts about Guinea. Fact 31. Guinea is known as the water tower of West Africa because of its high rainfall. Fact 32, it's home to the world's largest reserve of bauxite, a vital aluminum ore. Fact 33, the country is named after the Guinea region of West Africa. Fact 34, Guinea has over 24 ethnic groups. And finally, fact 35, the national dish, poulet yassa, is a must-try. So there you have it, 35 fascinating facts about Guinea. Now that we've explored 35 amazing facts about Guinea, let's revisit some of the most surprising ones. Who would have thought that Guinea is home to the world's largest reserve of bauxite, a key ingredient in making aluminum? Or that it is a country blessed with the highest rainfall in Africa, making it incredibly lush and fertile? Let's not forget about the fact that Guinea is also home to Mount Nimba, the highest mountain in the region, which is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Or the surprising fact that the country has more than 24 ethnic groups, each with its own distinct language and customs. Guinea's rich history also stands out, with it being the first French colony in Africa to gain independence. And of course, the country's unique culture with its vibrant music scene that has significantly influenced the evolution of West African music is simply mind-blowing. Thank you for joining us on this journey. We hope you've learned something new and interesting about Guinea, and that it sparked your curiosity to learn more about this fascinating country.